whether it's maternity leave, pregnancy leave, any sort of paid leave you can think of. Just because, for instance, you're a New York entity does not mean that you don't have to comply with other state or city or local sick leave laws or leave laws. It really will depend on what each state or city has to say about it, and it's often based on numerosity. So, for instance, if Oregon has a paid sick leave law, you may or may not be required to comply with it as a New York entity, depending on how many employees you have. Some states will say, for instance, well, you need at least three employees in my state to be able to avail yourself of the sick leave laws. Others doesn't matter. It could be one. So the point is, if you're a New York entity, yeah, you have to comply with the New York sick leave laws for your New York employees. But if you have employees, for instance, all over in Florida or Arizona or California, whatever the case may be, you have to look at those local jurisdictions, local state, local city laws to see if you have to comply. Be very, very mindful of that because it could be very different from New York.